Welcome to an EVA Check-in tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to style your EVA Check-in kiosk. Once you've logged into your EVA Check-in account, go to the Site Information menu. Click Options. Then navigate to the Kiosk and Poster tab. Here you'll see your site logo and kiosk theme options. Click the site logo to view or update your logo. You'll also see guidelines for the file specifications. You can have different logos for different sites, and there's also an option to apply your logo to all sites. Under Kiosk Theme and Options, you can change your color scheme. EVA Check-in has a few preloaded color schemes you can try, or you can customize the colors to match your brand. You can modify each color by clicking on the swatch, or by entering your hex code or RGB values. Let's scroll down to the kiosk homepage. You'll see the recommended aspect ratio here. Click here to upload your image file, then select your image. You can also choose to hide different elements from your kiosk by ticking the boxes. Select the Preview Theme button to see your customized kiosk. You can preview your theme on different devices and in different orientations too. Once you're happy with the kiosk style, click Save and Confirm. Give it a go and style your EVA Check-in kiosk.